Hey guys, what's up? Alec back with the daily stock market, and look at that, a very interesting week to start off the week. This is going to be the first video to start the new year 2024, so let's start it off with a banger and talk about the three best stocks to be watching in the stock market right now. And if you're looking for a stock market family to join, make sure you follow me over at the Daily Stock Market on Instagram and click on success number 9 to read through some of these thousands and thousands of testimonials of life-changing results many students have gone through with our program. So DM me on Instagram if you want more details about that, but let's jump right into this video and start it off. Just slap a thumbs up, like this video, share it with a friend, and let's talk about Apple stock starting off at $180 per share. They're down 6% in the last week. Remember, they were up at $200 per share, and they're down around 10% from then. So that's why they made the videos, because they have sold off. A lot of people are asking about Apple stock right now, if I think it's a good idea. So let's go over that. We see a strong resistance at $196 to $199 per share. And in my personal opinion, this will go to $200 per share once again. So it's an easy 10%, 11% gain on the swing trade. But with that being said, there is risks to 175 on the downside. So watch the support. Watch next week. If it breaks under 180, there's a good chance that it could go to 179, 178, and even as low as 175. And then if we end up breaking below 175, there's a chance that we could even see Apple go down to 165 once again. And that's where I personally have price alerts set, right at 165, 167, 168. I want to buy under 170 on Apple stock for long-term holding. There is even swing trade potential, like I said in the beginning, up to $200 per share. But don't expect a huge swing trade, 100%, 50% gains. This is just a little swing trade, around 10% gains is what you can expect from Apple, in my personal opinion. I definitely think it'll be above $200 per share in the next few months. Now let's move away from the safe big tech stocks, because we already talked about like Tesla, Apple, Amazon. And as much as everyone loves those stocks, and I'll always be covering them, let's talk about more risky stocks. And the first one that we're going to be talking about for 2024 is Disney at $90 per share. Will 2024 be the year that Disney stock finally bounces back? If you guys can remember, 2022 and 2023 were very bad for Disney stock. Here's the beginning of 2022, and here is the end of 2023, down nearly 40% still to this day. Remember, they peaked at around $190 and $180 per share. I'm not saying that Disney is going to get back to those levels once again in 2023, but I think it has good swing trade potential and good long-term potential as well. Has a strong competitive durable advantage. Okay, just bought out Hulu, and it owns a lot of other businesses and brands that are going to be around for a long time. But even on the swing trade on this one, I think it's going to be good as well. If you can buy closer to $85 per share or under $85 per share, that, in my personal opinion, that's the best price to get in at. But if we do get that implied movement of 30, 40, even 50% movement up to $130 per share, it'll be well worth the wait. So here we see an article that's titled, "Can 2024 be Disney's turnaround year? Charts signal bullish trend as Bob Iger's turnaround plan unfolds." And we see here the reinstatement of dividends after a 3-year hiatus, and a golden cross appears to indicate a recovery. Disney stock hasn't been able to move the needle in 2023, though Wall Street is optimistic about CEO Bob Iger's turnaround plan. Okay? We can see that if we continue to scroll down. However, the company begins to implement CEO Bob Iger's ambitious strategic turnaround plan. Wall Street observers are eager to see if Disney can shift the tide in its favor in 2024. A significant indicator of its recovery is the reinstatement of dividends after a 3-year hiatus. It serves as a testament to the management's confidence in the generating robust cash flow. While concerns linger about the reliance on legacy content for revenue, confidence is emerging. Disney's strategic shift towards bolstering the streaming business with renowned franchises like Marvel and Star Wars, ESPN, Hulu is signaling a proactive approach to diversifying content. Disney's proactive measures are also extending beyond streaming. The company has invested towards enhancing its theme parks experiences and acquiring full ownership of Hulu from Comcast. If we scroll down, we can see that the golden cross is imminent for Disney stock. And remember, that's when the 50-day SMA crosses the 200-day. Okay, we can see that Disney stock just made a golden cross, which is a bullish indicator from a technical perspective. The 50-day SMA crossing over the 200-day SMA is often interpreted as a potential buy signal, suggesting that there might be an upward trend ahead. Wall Street too appears bullish on the stock. On December 22nd, 2023, an analyst of Rosenblatt Securities maintained a buy on Disney stock with a price target of $112 per share. The stock currently trades at around $90 per share, indicating potential upside. And obviously this is a risky bet. If we look at the 5-year chart history price, it's down 17% in the past 5 years. So very, very unreliable chart, but there is a lot of potential for upside in the short term, medium term, and long term. And that's why Disney stock made the list on this video. And the last stock that we'll be talking about is the riskiest of them all, but potentially with the biggest upside, and that's Coinbase stock, down 12% in the past week, currently at $154 per share. In the last 3 months, however, it's up 112%. Cryptocurrency, if you haven't realized, is taking off again. And Bitcoin and Ethereum have also taken off in the last 3 months. And in the last year, Coinbase is up 358%. Now, in my personal opinion, if you could buy under $115 per share, I think you're getting a pretty fair deal. But just remember the risks on this one, okay? We're dealing with cryptocurrency, and the success depends on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And if you don't believe in Bitcoin and Ethereum, this is not a good stock to be invested in, okay? However, if you do believe in Bitcoin and Ethereum and you find it's too complicated or risky to invest in the coin itself, if you don't like to worry about the wallets and do all the transactions yourself, or worried about potential cryptocurrency scams or wallets, or you just don't like cryptocurrency as a whole because, you just don't understand it and you're more of a stock market person, then this could be the stock for you because you get exposure to cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum in a big way, but you're still under the stock market and have all the securities of the stock market. It's backed by the SEC, so you know that your investment is in safe hands. No one can scam you out of your investment when you're investing in stocks, and that's why stocks have been so reliable over the last 100+ years. So if you like the stock market more than cryptocurrency, but you still like cryptocurrency and the idea of it, then Coinbase probably is the stock for you. All right, now it's at $150 per share. We saw it at $350 per share in the past. So, if Bitcoin even gets back to new all-time highs or where it was in the past, then we can see another 100% increase on Coinbase stock from here. However, playing the defense might be the best way to do this. Wait for a dip and buy the dip. $115 per share, again, is a good price in my personal opinion, where I'm actually going to be putting my own money in and buying Coinbase stock. Now, I already have some under $100 per share, been holding for a while, but I wouldn't mind stocking up on more Coinbase stock under $115 per share. And remember, in December 30th, 2022, right before the New Year's hit for 2023, Coinbase stock was at $35 per share. So if you were able to get in and buy a boatload of Coinbase stock at $35 per share, huge pat on the back. Good job to you, because you are up a ton and it could keep continuing up and up from here. Now, there are a lot of bullish things going on in the crypto community right now. If you want a full update on cryptocurrency and all the bullish things that are going to happen in Bitcoin and Ethereum in 2024 and some of my personal predictions on the cryptocurrency prices of Bitcoin and Ethereum, make sure you follow my only other account, the Daily Cryptocurrency, on Instagram, now 119,000 followers, 570 posts. We're actually going to do a full video. Here's the link to my YouTube right in the bio. If you click on that, you'll be rerouted to my YouTube, the Daily Cryptocurrency. I haven't made a video in a while on there, but I'm going to make an updated video this week. So subscribe there. So if you're excited about that, make sure you go ahead and comment below on this video, more cryptocurrency content, and I'll get that video out for you guys as soon as possible. But remember, follow me on the Daily Cryptocurrency. So give me a follow over at the Daily Cryptocurrency. We're also going to be opening up a Discord very, very soon for 2024. And we're going to be doing a lot of giveaways over at the Daily Cryptocurrency too. So if you're excited for any of that stuff, give it a follow. If you're all about the stock market and want to join my community where it's proven to get results, go ahead and DM me on the Daily Stock Market to join our stock market family. Now hundreds and hundreds of members you can chat with, talk with, share ideas with, pick their brains. You finally have a community to talk stocks about. Because a lot of people, their family members don't invest in stocks, their friends don't invest in stocks. So if that's you, then this group is definitely for you. I hope you guys like this video. We'll be coming out with bangers all month long to start the year off right. Make sure you write down some goals you want to accomplish in 2024 about the stock market. Do you want to invest $200 a week? Do you want to invest $200 a month? Do you want to invest $200 a day? Get those goals very clear. And also set goals where you want your total profile to be at the end of the year. Do you want it at 20,000? Do you want it at 50,000? If you never set these goals, you will never hit it. So get to setting goals now for the stock market. And Happy New Year. I'll see you in the next video. Remember, don't time the market, buy the market. Peace.